Hello all, welcome to the Lazy Chef. Today we are going to make a vancho cake without oven. For this, the first step is we have to prepare the batter for vanilla and chocolate cake. Maida 1 cup, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, baking powder 1/2 teaspoon. We're just going to mix it in such a way that it is equally distributed. And now take another bowl and add 3 eggs to it and mix it very well. Now add 1 cup of sugar to it, not all at once but gradually. Now add half cup of sunflower oil and mix it well. To this we are going to add maida, not all at once but part by part. We are going to mix it so well that we get this kind of consistency. We'll have to whisk it for at least 10 minutes. Now add 1/4 cup of milk to it, 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence to the batter and whisk it really well. Now divide the cake batter equally, one for the vanilla and another for the chocolate. Now to bake the cake, I'm using an old dosa tawa and a non-stick cookware. First, I'm preheating the dosa tawa. Now I'm brushing the base with oil. Make sure that you do not apply oil onto the side. Now transfer the contents into the cookware and place it on the tawa and close the lid. Make sure it is in low flame. Wait for 20 minutes for it to cook. Yes, our vanilla cake is ready. Now now let's prepare the batter for chocolate cake. It is the same batter to which we are adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now we are following the same procedure as we did for the vanilla cake and wait for 20 minutes for it to cook. See, now our chocolate cake is also ready. Cutting it into 2 pieces, both the chocolate cake and the vanilla cake. Now let's make the sugar syrup. For this we need 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of milk. We are going to boil this contents. You can replace the milk with water if you want. This is how the sugar syrup will look like. Now let's make the chocolate ganache. For this we need 1/2 cup of cocoa, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Add 1 cup of milk, a pinch of salt and whisk without lumps and place over low flame. Keep stirring on low flame until it thickens. Once it gets thick, you can switch off the flame and add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. Our chocolate ganache is ready. Keep it aside for cooling. Now let's make the white chocolate ganache. For this we need 4 tablespoons of milk and 100 grams of white chocolate. This is done using double boiling method where we have a pan full of water. We are boiling this water and on top of which another pan is being kept with the contents and we are just stirring until it melts down. So our white chocolate ganache is ready. Keep it aside for cooling. Now let's prepare the whipping cream. Here I'm using 1 cup of milk to which add the whipped topping mix 2 sachets. Whisk until it gets fluffy. Make sure you place ice water below the bowl so that the whipped cream doesn't heat up. This is the consistency that we need for the whipped cream. Do not overbeat it. Our whipped cream is ready. So let's make the chocolate cream. Add 1 tablespoon of chocolate ganache into 2 tablespoons of whipped cream. Just mix it well and your chocolate cream is ready. Now the final step, that is to set up the cake. Here I'm pasting little bit of whipping cream onto the base, onto which I'm adding the chocolate cake. Now add the sugar syrup. More syrup you add, more juicy your cake is gonna be. Now apply chocolate cream to it. Now place the vanilla cake on top of it and apply the sugar syrup to it. Once it's done, we are adding the whipping cream on top of it. Now just repeat the step: chocolate cake, sugar syrup, chocolate cream, vanilla cake, sugar syrup and whipping cream. Now cover up the cake with the whipping cream. Keep the cake in the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes. Now pour the white ganache into the cake. Use the chocolate ganache to do the designs. Your vancho cake is ready.